Alright guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch the portal in ArcGIS Pro. So basically, by switching the portal, you will get two benefits. The first one is you will get the easy access to your ArcGIS Online, and also the other advantage is you can easily publish your layer or maps directly from ArcGIS Pro account, right? And in most of my case I use the ArcGIS notebook, and then using that notebook I try to like upload that layer to the particular ArcGIS Online account. And for now I'm in the my account is linked to the arcgis.com, and if you want to connect to the different portal, then you can click on the project and then portals, and here you can add the portal, and make sure to type your portal URL correctly here. For example, for me, I'll type the amtexon.maps.arcgis.com. This is my portal using my personal email. And then if I click OK, then I'm adding that portal to my portal list, right? And using this sign in button, you can sign in. So for example, this is my username and then my password, and after that it's signed in, right? And by default our my like another email is linked, and that is set as active portal, so you can see it's disabled now, right? And if you want to switch the portal, then you have to set that current connected portal is the active portal, so that it will take the green marks. And then sometime you might also need to like reload your ArcGIS Pro, so I'm going to reload it. All right, so now it's reloaded, and previously, if you check in the notebook, so it's saying that my portal URL is this one, and then my username is this one. And now my username is automatically updated, and also the portal, right? And here, if you run it again, then you will get the another URL and another username, which is like my portal link and then the my username. So if we open that portal, and here we might need to log in. All right, so after we log in, we'll see the portal. So basically in the portal, whatever data you upload from like ArcGIS Pro or using Python API or by manually from here, so this all layer will be available in your portal. So yeah, this is the short video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in next.